Hello, my name is Ana Silvia Hernandez Clavijo. I study technology in software analysis and development. This is my presentation for activity GA624 Zero to 5 on band AA band EB out. In this video I will explain how technology is an evolutionary process in my academic program and work environment. In my program, technology have evolved a lot. For example, in the past we used basic programming language, but in the future we will have advanced tools and artificial intelligence support. By 2030, software de- development will have transformed with more auto automation. Some products are evolutionary, like programming framework that improve step by step. Others are revolutionary, like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and 5G. This innovation will have changed the way our and we will have been using them in almost every software project. Technology have also changed cult- culture, and before learning was mostly face to face, but now we study online, share projects on virtual platform, and collaborate with people from different places. By 2035, collaboration learning will have become a normal way for edu- education. education. In conclusion, technology is not static. It is an evolutionary process. In my program, new tools and innovation we have im- improved the way we learn and work with math. Always be prepared, prepared for future change and continue adapting to new technology.